March 21st, 2017. That's when David was on. His first top pick, a big player in chemicals and lithium. And this one doing okay, an 8% return?
Yeah, so Albemarle had a wonderful run. It ran to $144. We run, as I think people know, stop losses on our positions. We got taken out at 130 as it started to pull back. The lithium stocks were wonderful performers last year. They've had some correction recently as Tesla's been taking a rest, and there's been discussion about more supply coming into the market. SQM talking about increasing how much they're producing. So Albemarle is a great pure play on lithium. Stocks probably on hiatus right now. I'd wait to see it back through the 200-day moving average, which is like at 122 or 123. In the short run, we're out of the stock.
Okay. Your next top pick, Bank of America, 41% return.
Yeah, continues to be one of our sort of top 10 holdings. The story continues to play out. Obviously, tax changes help. Rising interest rates help. Growing U.S. economy helps because it's basically all focused in the U.S. Cost cutting helps. So this is one that can, I think, continue to do very well. It's still only trading at about 1.4 times book value. These have traded as high as 3 times book value in the past.
Wow. So if it got back to that, which would be a stretch.
These things can run, I think, for years. So I think that financials would be our largest sector weight. It's the biggest beneficiary of rising rates, and I think that there's a very clear theme there. And deregulation certainly helps. So Bank of America has a lot of ways to win. This upcoming June, they'll find out how much they can return in capital again this year. We think the Fed is going to allow the big banks to return over 100% of their earnings in share buybacks and dividends. So dividend growth again this year should be very, very strong. And
finally, Adobe, 60% return.
Yeah, so this is a company that really benefited from a shift in its business model to subscription. And then, of course, once people are subscribing, it's very easy for them to put the monthly price up, which I think they've done 3 times in the last year. So they're growing their revenues, they're growing their profitability, and they're growing their market share. Continues to be a very large holding, and I would continue to buy the stock here.
Okay, we are going to take a break. We're going to have more. We're taking calls now today on North American large cap. David Burrows is our guest. Remember, you know that number, or you can email us, marketcall@bnn.ca. We'll be right back.